Hi, I'm Shinobu TAKIZAWA. Optically active organic molecules applied in a variety of products such as pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, and fragrance, and liquid crystals. With a high demand for optically active compound, it is essential to develop efficient synthesis strategy based on the green sustainable chemistry. Towards the establishment of energy, time, labor saving, and environmental benign asymmetric catalysis, we are investigating the design of the nuclear vanadium complexes and acid-base type organ catalysts that act like a natural enzyme by the cooperative activate to substrate, leading to the formation of a chiral complicated molecules smoothly. In this lecture, we also discuss our recent machine learning assisted simultaneous multi-parameter reaction condition screenings for flow and chemical green transformation, which are difficult for general synthetic methods.